Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the job safe. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 10 to 15 minutes so residual capacitor charge bleeds off. Once done, hook up an OBDROMAN 2 scanner that can read SRS/Airbag codes. This tells you where to focus. Remove only the trim needed to access the airbag control module, steering column, and seat harnesses. Make sure to document connector positions and take photos so reassembly matches factory routing and avoids new faults. You now interpret the codes. They point to a specific sensor, circuit, or module. Once you know the fault, visually inspect connectors for corrosion, bent pins, or loose terminals and probe wiring for continuity. If codes suggest the steering wheel airbag or horn, check the clock spring for broken traces. Remove suspect sensors and test them against manufacturer resistance and voltage specs. Replace any sensor or module that fails. Keep parts organized and use correct torque and connector seating to avoid intermittent faults. Once replacements and repairs are complete, reassemble panels and reconnect the battery, making sure all connectors are fully seated. Use the scanner to clear SRS codes and then start the car. Watch the airbag light through its self-test sequence. Make a brief road test to ensure the light remains off under normal operation. If the light returns, rescan for new or persistent codes and check live data streams. If unresolved, use dealer-level diagnostics or a certified technician, because unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.